Welcome to Peter Science Academy. 오늘은 SAT 8번 문제, 8번 문제 number 8 and 10. How about some 11, and we're gonna have 13. 13번 문제는 굉장히 좋은 문제. 이거 여러분이 한번 잘 한번 해보세요. 오케이. Alright, welcome to Peter Science Academy. Okay, we're gonna do number 8. Number 8 is a given condition is 2x plus 3x plus 2y is 11. 2x plus 3y is 17. I say simply equation 1, equation 2. So our question is, what is the average of x plus y? So we're gonna rewrite into equation x plus y over 2 is a question. So you're gonna you can solve this from two equation x. You can find x and y. You can solve x and y, but it's time consuming. So it's it's a tricky things. But you have to learn a trick about this one. But it doesn't help you at all in college. So anyway, we're gonna adding equation and equation 2. So we're gonna adding this one, and then we're gonna have 5x, adding this 5x plus 5y is 28. So we're gonna divide by 5 each side. So x plus y is 20 over 5. So we're looking for x plus y divided by 2. So we're gonna divide by both sides by 2. So we're going to divide by both sides 2. So x plus y over 2 is 28 over 10. So 2.8. Number 10. Also given information is a minus b is 10, a squared minus b squared is 20. What is b? This one is very impressed and very important things, because they're trying to test you about you have any idea or good knowledge of what is it, factoring or distribution. So 여러분이 이거는 인수분해하고 그런 거에 관한 문제. 한국말은 그래서 조금 있게 할게요. 조금만 할 겁니다. 왜냐하면 문제를 읽어보고 아는 사람이 SAT 푸는 거니까. From this, from a minus b 10. So we're gonna rewrite this one. Okay, a equal 10 plus b. Okay. So we're gonna plug this one over there. So 10 plus b squared minus b squared is 20. So we're gonna this one distribution. So that will be 10 plus 20b plus b squared minus b squared is 20, right? And then given information, we're gonna cancel out this one and this one cancel out. So left over 100 move this way. So left over is 20b equal minus 80. So b is minus 4. Okay? Okay, number 11. Okay, number 11 is she's gonna be say boost every number from 1 to 100 divided by 7. Also have a 7 in it. So how many she can say boost? So in 100 you have to divide by 7, so 14 number is divisible by 7. Okay. Also, any number have a 7 in it, so 7, 17, 27, 37, 47, 57, 67, 77, 87, 97. So we have to cancel out this one, avoid this 7 and 7, 7 and 70, 77, because this number is, we already use it from equation 1. Okay? Then another number is has a number 7. So 70, 71, 72, 74, 75, 77, 78, 79. So among them, 70 and the 77 we already use it. So we have to cannot count this one. So total 10 from this part. So we don't use this one. So 8 is left over. So total number is 14 from here. 14 plus 8 here, plus 8 here is 32. This problem is good for, widening your knowledge. It's tricky, but it's good for your, mental, science. Okay. Number 13, have to be very good example, how to dealing with, percent things. But not only percent things, but also once you go to, the you're going to major in economics and business, you have to know this basic idea, very important. Also, this is a basis of calculus, business calculus. Okay, so you are not sure about this percent things. I already posted Peter Science Academy. You can visit percent in Peter Science Academy. You can find more exact detailed information and knowledge. Okay, was 60% initially, they planned it, but by mistake 6% down. So their plan is they're gonna mark up what percent from this mistaken price, then make it equal, compensate it, make it equal. So we're gonna do this one first. Their initial plan was 60% from X. Price is X original price. So 60% means 6x plus 60 percent. That means 60, just write down there. Percent value is 1 over 100 and times x. That's going to be their plan, initial plan. So we're going to simplify this one. More simple equation. So we're going to 60 times 1 over 100 is 0.6x plus x. So this one is a common factor, pull out this one, 1 plus 0.6. So we simply write down 1.6x. Okay? So accidentally they make a markdown 60%. So actual price they marked was x minus 60%. Percent value 1 over 100 times x. Make sure percentage 1 over 100. This is a much better, expression. You're solving the equation problem and percentage problem. Do not write, instead of this, do not write 0.6. Do not write 0.6. You're going to have a little problem later on. Please do this way. So, this one is x minus 60 times 1 over 100 is 0.6. So, x is there. So, x minus 0.6x. Okay, then common factor, I pull out this one, so x times 1 minus 0.6, so 0.4x. So actual price, mistaken price is 0.4x. So they're trying to mark up what percent from this come up to here. Okay, so initial their plan is 1.6x, so they should mark up what percent from here, right? So what percent from here? So from here plus from here 0.4x and what percent, right? So I simply write down again 0.4x and this 0.4x. Question write down percent. I just convert 1 over 100. This value is 1 over 100. Then from there, we have a x everywhere, so we cancel it. So 1.6 and this is going to be a 0.4, so we're going to move over here. So 1.2 equal 1.2. Oh, no, I'm sorry. Okay, this cancel out. I'm going to move over here. This is 1.2. So after what this part is 1.04 question times 1 over 100, right? We're looking for question only, so we have to get rid of this, get over this part, move over there. So question is 1.2 divided by 0.4 times 100. So question is 300. That means once you plug in there, you have to mark 300%. Okay, this is this is a good way you can solve the problem. Okay. As long as I have a time remaining, well, I'm going to do vocabulary, because SAT you're gonna take an English too. 이건 한국 사람을 위한 vocabulary입니다. Okay. Retrograde. Retro의 뜻은 return. 뒤로 백한대요. Retrograde니까 grade는 여러분이 학교에서 성적 같은 것도 grade라고, 어떤 상태도 grade라고 그래요. Retrograde니까 이렇게 back, 이렇게 다시 return했다. 그러니까는 다시 과거로 돌아왔다, 나빠졌다, 그런 뜻이에요. 오케이? 그 다음에 이제 이거랑 비슷하면 retroact. act 하는데 back으로 retroact 되니까 과거 거를 다시 한번 재사용한다. retroact. 그런 뜻입니다. 그 다음에 이거 형용사는 retroactive. blessed는 여러분이 잘 아는 것처럼 이 blessed는 확 이렇게 때리는 거, 나쁜 거, blessed, 부는 걸 blessed라고 해. 그래서 blasphemy, 이거는 비방하는 겁니다. 나쁘게 되는 거. 그다음에 blasphemy, 이건 동사고, 이건 명사. blasphemous, 이거 나쁘게 얘기하는 거, 비방, 그런 뜻입니다. corroborate, 이 co는 그냥 con하고 똑같아요. con, together. 아니면 이거 비슷하면 confirm 하시게 나온 core. corroborate의 뜻은 뭐냐? robust. robust는 뭐냐면 strong하다는 거야. strong하다. 무슨 플레이버가 강하다. 여러분이 어느 미국 커피 robust flavor, strong, aromatic, 그런 뜻이에요. robust. corroborate 하면 더 강하게 한다, enhance 한다, 그런 뜻입니다. contrive. contrive의 뜻은 좀 외우셔야 될까요? 이거는 그냥 contrive는 뭐 고안한다, 그런 뜻이겠죠. 근데 이거랑 비슷한 게 여러분이 가끔 자꾸 섞갈리는 게 retrieve. retrieve는 잃어버렸던 물건을 다시 찾는다는 거예요. retrieve. sequester. 이건 외우셔야 될 거예요. sequester는 separate에서 나온 거예요. 그러니까 separate, sequester, separate. 이거 seize하고 똑같은 거, 이렇게 sequester, 이렇게 꽉 잡는다. sequester, separate에서 나옵니다. euphoria. euphoria는 이거는 이 좋은 거의 뜻이에요. 좋은 거. happy, euphoria. 그래서 아마 이거는 euphoria 그러면 좋은 거를 얘기하는데 happiness를 얘기하는데 아마 이 이유가 아마 유럽이 여기서 나오지 않았나 싶어요. 근데 유럽 좋다 그러시니까. 그다음에 이건 다른 문제인데 오케이. myopic. 이건 근시안적이야. myopic. myopic는 myopic or myopic이라고 그러는데 이건 근시안적인 거, 생각이 짧은 거, 아니면 진짜 근시안적 myopic이라고 그러는데. 땡큐.